but somebody else came out, swallow her shame, and they humiliate that person because of you. They insulted the person's parents because of you. The children, they were even looking on how to assassinate that person just because of you, Lolo. Lolo, are you sure you are in your right sense? Lolo, Facebook godmother, are you sure you are in your right sense? Are you sure you know what you are doing? Yeah, you can call me. Oh, I'm using this. I'm using my I don't know what to do. Oh, Facebook. You can call him, but right now I'm using the phone on this. I don't want to give you my other number, but this number that is on Facebook. I'm using the phone now, right now on live now, so I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do, and I don't want to switch phone. You can call in direct. Don't show your face. You can call in on Facebook here, but don't show your face. Don't show your face. You can call in on Facebook here. Please, Lolo. People that really, in short, I don't know what to say today, Lolo. Lolo. They even wanted to go and assassinate these people, family, just because of you, Lolo. Lolo, what is it? Lolo, are you sure you are in your right senses, or Atuari is using something diabolical on you? You may not know. These people, they are evil. They are evil, especially Monica. She's desperate to do anything to end your career on Facebook. Atuari, I know very well. She's desperate to end your career on this social media. She wants to be alone. She wants to be talk and do on social media. I know how your friendship started on this Facebook. Aside Facebook, I don't know. When you people came, you were the one reigning. 2,000, 3,000 views will be they will be watching you. You will be talking about marital affair. People will be liking and loving you. But since the day you start doing live video with that evil woman, call herself Atuari, she dropped down your star. And something happened between both of you. An angel came and rescued you from her hand. And that same angel, now you are fighting that same angel. Can you fight your shadow, Lolo? Lolo, who is your advisor? Who is the people that is advising you? Can you fight your shadow? Good morning, Agnes Teresa. Good morning, my sweetheart. Good morning, my love. Please invite people to come and listen to this video. I will leave this video. I will not delete it. Since it's not related to my family video, I will leave it. I will not delete it. Lolo, can you fight the people? This is not by Precious Men. When Precious Men were doing, people were writing. No, this is the people that came out with their voices to fight for you. Even the so-called Naomi, they humiliate her because of you. They call her names, cheap houses, because of you, Lolo. Who is your advisor, Lolo? Who is your advisor? Who is the people that... I hope these people are not advising you to the... Because I can see you, not in 3 months, you will not be on Facebook anymore. Nobody will watch you anymore. Lolo. The way I'm seeing this thing now, not in 3 months. Good morning, Any Black. Good morning, sweethearts. Lolo, the way I'm seeing you now, not in 3 months, nobody will even click you and watch you. Atuari have sent money to Nigeria to bring you down. You don't know what you are doing, Lolo. You think it's only you one that can pray. There are people that don't sleep at night just to harm somebody. They don't sleep. They will tell you the last time they sleep is over 1 year. Every 12 o'clock, they are on their feet. They are in the mountains. Some will be in the bush, nakedness, sitting and shitting on your picture, pissing on your picture. I'm a spiritual woman. I've gone a long way. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. Lolo, Atuari have taken your name to the next level. You don't know what you are doing, Lolo. I don't know who is advising you. I don't know who is telling you to be doing this thing that you are doing. Do you really have a heart of stone, the way Atuari is saying? We Ishan people, we are not like that. We don't have this useless hearts. We love ourselves. Look at Mommy B. I know Mommy B 20 years ago. 20 years ago. That woman, if you talk to her now, she don't use her own advice to conclude or to make a decision. When you talk to Mommy B, she will take it from you and she will act accordingly. That is how a leader supposed to be. A leader take advice from his people. Any leader that does not take advice from his people, the end is bad. The end is terrible. Do you know what people did for you on this Facebook, Lolo? And you are now standing that you want to fight them. So Lolo, you think you will fight these people and people will still be watching you? Lolo, do you know that I hate you with passion before? But immediately Melissa Ayowe came out to express your feelings. I switch. I begin to fall in love with you. I never liked you and Monica before. I never liked you and Monica before. If you listen to my previous 2016, 17, 18 video, I insulted you. I insulted Monica. If you listen those days that I'm doing video, I will come out and insult both of you. I never liked both of you. Check my Ededena Mumu, all my Facebook. It was all about you and Monica. But immediately Melissa Ayowe came out, I begin to fall in love with you. And I change whatever I'm doing. I follow you. So Lolo, who are you going to fight right now? I love you. You are my Ishan sister. Who are you going to fight right now? Are you going to fight the people that stood by you? The people that are Yoyowa and are big useless fans. They rob and they humiliated on this Facebook just because of you. Can you fight them, Lolo? You cannot fight your tongue. Without tongue, you can't chew meat. You can't even eat. And without teeth, you can't chew. Without mouth, there is nothing to cover your tongue and your teeth. Without nose, you cannot breathe. Without eyes, you cannot see. This is life for you, Lolo. That is life for you. You need one person or the other in order to grow. Forget, Precious Meg is not a presenter. Precious Meg was never a presenter. She was just looking for how to make her money. That is why she diverted to Monica. Because she knows that Monica have more fans, more than you. Although she told me that you are a very wicked person. Me, I don't used to. Secret is secret. Secret is secret. But she told me to say it. Says, my sister, you be Ishan. Talk and come out. Lolo is a very bad person. She told me before, but I never listened to her. She said it several times that you have a heart of stone. That Monica is way better than you. I didn't believe her. And I never believe her till now. And I will never believe her, my sister Lolo. Try, please. I'm begging you in the name of God. And in the name of our ancestors in Ishan Kingdom. Please. Pick up your sense. Because Lolo, I'm seeing you in 3 months' time. Nobody will click on your video. Nobody knows you. Do you know the best fan you have so far? Let me name the best fan you have so far. The best fan, which me, Joy Thomas, no. One, Melissa Ayowe Osiemata. Although We are not talking. I'm not talking to her. She's not talking to me. We are not enemies and we are not friends. Your best fans is Melissa Ayowe Usiamata, Damos Jesper, Teresa Agnes, Nenny Black, Monica, they use Juju, and so on. But that is the name I can remember. That is like just like Spirit God Sent and Infinity Saga in Ayoyowa group. These are the people that really love you. These are the people that cares about you. These are the people that can die. These are your die. I don't know how they are saying it. I don't know. Please, I don't want to bite my tongue. These are your real fans. So these people right now, they are talking to you. You refuse to listen to them. Lolo, what come over you? I'm a spiritual person. I know that Atuari have gone. She have taken your name to many places. Lolo, she have done a lot of things so to deaf your ear. But by the time you realize everything, you have lost everything. Let me tell you something. It's not everybody that you will offend and you will beg. The person will come back to you. No. There are some people, when you beg them, they are left and they are left. They don't go back to their vomit. By the time you will not realize this thing, now you try to beg them, they are left you already. You don't even know them. They are invisible. They are like spirits. These people, they are your guiding angel. Monica fans and Lolo fans must tell us, my lady, Monica is smarter than Lolo. Yes, far better. Network receive sense. Network you go receive sense better. Gives Osaretin. Yes, Monica is a smart person and she has taken Lolo matter so far. She has taken Lolo matter. She knows everything about Lolo. Do you know somebody like Monica? They are desperate. She wants to. Do you know what Monica wants to do on this Facebook? She wants to be the only person reigning on Facebook. She wants to be the talk and do person on Facebook. That is why, Lolo, let me tell you something. If you want to be great in life, take off pride. Lolo, people that knows me, ask Iziengbe. I will leave this video so that Iziengbe will know and she will know who is talking. Ask Iziengbe how many houses I have in Benin City. Iziengbe will tell you how many houses. It's not house, houses I have in Benin City, but I drop my pride. If I see you today, the way I will greet you, you yourself, you will say, are you sure is this lady? Many people here on this Facebook, they know me. That is why I don't want to bring out my face. Many people knows me. Many people that knows me. I'm a popular person. They knows me very well. I will drop my pride immediately. I will drop my pride immediately and I will dance to your tune. I love people that respect themselves. I respect people that respect themselves. Lolo, take off this your pride and listen to your people. Any tree that does not have a root, it will not go far. Any tree that does not, when it finish growing and it started bearing fruits, it will say, you, my roots, go. Remember, Precious May were never a presenter. You will think that people ran away from Precious May, but she's still existing. No, she was never a presenter, Lolo. And you don't have much fans. Sometimes if you are doing live video, if it's not Saga, you will have 200 or something people there. You will have 200 or something people. But if Monica is doing something that is not Saga, she will have like 500 to 600 or 700 there. Lolo, you don't have fans. And these are the people that makes people to love you on Facebook. These are the people that you are fighting today. Can you fight your roots? The river that does not have starting and ending, that river will disappear. Till now, as I am now, I have people that are still listening to Lolo. Forget if I have money. I saw the video which you make that women should do this. No, Lolo, you can't detest for anybody. Lolo, You cannot detest. Let me tell you something. My father has more than 21 wives. Everybody knows my father in Benin. He was former commissioner of police. He has more than 21 wives. We came out from a very polygamous family. My father did not train any of us. My father did not train none of his children. Any Abrime children that you see outside, you will know that if you go to primary school, like me, before I travel out of the country, I finished just primary 3. It's when I went to, after everything, I have to fight for myself, because I know that men, you can't depend on men. You can't depend on men to train your children. If you have luck, Lolo, you got married to a man that love you, that wants you to be a housewife, you cannot give everybody your choice. Your choice and my choice are not the same. If you want to be a working class person, it's your choice. If you want to be a woman that sits at home and waits for the husband to bring money, it's your choice. You can't detest for everybody, Lolo. When I was growing up, I tell myself that if I did not have more than 10 houses, I will not marry. Because my sister, I suffer. You know what it be suffer? I suffer. This first egg roll where I eat, now inside grot and I see that egg roll for a year where they trek go school. I see say all these people luxurious boss, they throw away egg roll for inside luxurious boss where they don't eat remain. I pick and I chop and say, Jesus, this one I egg roll. I was 13 years old. I lick hand riches. Lolo. So you can't expect. Sorry, I changed the Wi-Fi. Lolo. Everybody know. If you are hearing what I'm saying, say I. Oh. Please, if you are hearing what I'm saying, say I. Because I changed the Wi-Fi. I was using data before. Ah, Kate Olivia. I be your cousin. Wow. Good evening. Oh. I everything now. You'll message me later now. You understand? Lolo, me, as I can't get all these houses now, I go say because say I don't marry one man, I want to go sell my houses. Lolo, do you know the suffering so many women are suffering in their husband's house? Eh? Not be everybody husband they favor. I listened to your video very well. You were not really, you didn't say anything bad though, but some people will feel that you are talking to them. Especially me. Especially me, Lolo. I will think that you are talking to me. Let's be sincere to ourselves. Thank you. Not be everybody go fit sit down for us the way you dey sit down for us. Not be everybody go fit sit down for us. Anybody wey don't pass adult age, he get the way where they talk to them. Anybody who don't pass 18 years. Lolo, try to rethink and come back to your senses, because you have lost it already. These people, it's not everybody you offend. I always said it, like Mama Iyotete. Or where not re ya pa yen pa na yen yi de gbede amena ya po yen yi diun is a big parable. Is a big parable. Lolo, please, I'm begging you, in the name of God, Lolo, I'm begging you. Lolo. Lolo. Lolo, please go back to your senses and talk to your people. I don't care who may see this video. I don't care how they will react on this video. I don't care if they will come and analyze this video tomorrow. I don't fucking care about these rubbish people. Especially Monica. God have mercy on me. I hate you with passion. I don't want to listen to you because you are so bitter. You talk anyhow. You don't have regards for anybody. Every time you always beat hand in your chest. And let me promise you one day, Monica, on live video like this, when the day you will beat your hand on that your chest, you will collapse and fall down and die there, because that is going to be your portion. If you like this video that I'm doing now, come and analyze this tomorrow. You and your fucking stupid gang. I don't care. I don't care. Lolo, if person no they advise you, you get friend where no they advise you, anything where you talk they go say it good. Lolo, you know say you don't near the grave. You go know say your grave it don't near you where. You go know say your grave don't near you where. If you get friends where you know they tell you say what you do so wrong, you know say your grave don't near you. Forget all these people that is clapping for you now. They are not your real fans. I have mentioned your real fans for you. Sit down very well. Listen to this video. Collect the one that you will collect. Because if I see that you didn't come back to your senses, I will mock you on this Facebook. You know me. You know me very well. I will take cats each shine away from it. Because I love my father's land. I will delete each shine on from it and I will face you, Lolo. Because you can't be looking at your chest. Your useless friend said it the other time that you are so full of yourself. That is what you are doing now. You are just showing your wonderful fans the example of yourself. The real meaning of you. The real meaning of you. Please, Lolo, I love you so much. I love you so much. I don't want to fight you again. Melissa Ayowia Usiamata have made me to love you. And I don't want to go back to my vomit. Please, gather your people together and talk to them. Settle your differences with them. Forget about pride. Pride will not take you to anywhere. The richest man in this continent, he have a advisor. Everybody have a advisor. Melissa Ayowia was your true friend, and she was a sister, lost and found sister. Yes, Kate John. I don't really know. Yes, they will settle it. What of the leader that you want to settle differences with? Is not taking. Is not the leader that you supposed to settle with. That's supposed to call you in order. The leader is feeling pride. She's thinking that she's too much. What will you do? Let me make this parable in my mother's dialect. When you be a woman leader for a group where you know they feed, a group where you know they buy pants for in body, a group where you know they pay their bigs, you go they use sense till they follow them, they go so that they call you their director, their woman leader, mommy, they call you mommy. But the time when they try to talk to you, you take their advice to be nothing. Those people that was calling you woman leader before, they go rob you for grand. They go use peace and shit to rob you. They go use shit and peace to rob you. Lolo, this is not your high, clear eyes. Me, I'm a spiritual woman. I know what is happening to you. Take off your pride. You see what I talk. All the video, I go bring the come out. If I give Aproko 100 euro now, Aproko go bring all the video come out again. Monica say you get pride. Many things where she talk about you, your good followers, they are beginning to pick it from it. Now they are picking it. They are picking it. And when they come back to the world and tell them that you are a bad person, everybody on this Facebook, they will be against you, which I don't want it to happen. God bless you. A good leader always listening to advice. God bless you. I will pay me if Lolo turn against people, especially Melissa Ayowe Usemata, Damo Jespa, Nelly Black, Agnes Teresa, your die-hard fans, the fans that can throw away food in their mouth just to fight for you, Lolo. Your die-hard fans, Lolo. Lolo, don't make me to be a naked and a wounded lion that I always be on Facebook. If not, this Facebook will hurt again. These are the people that makes me to come to you. These are the people that makes me to start loving you. Your dead hard fans, they humiliate their parents because of you. Lolo. When Precious Meg was trying to deviate from you, I call her as my Ishan sister. I was trying to talk to her. She said, my sister, I told her that when my father was alive, he really loved Ishan people. If you are fighting with Ishan people, my father, he doesn't know you before. As fast as you say you are from Ishan, my father will come down from his car and fight till the end. My father does not play with Ishan people. I told Meg about the principle we have in Ishan land. Meg says she knows very well, but Lolo is not a trust person. That Lolo have a heart of wickedness. Meg, I don't supposed to reveal this thing, but I'm trying to tell Lolo things that will make her to go back to her senses. I love secret though. Precious Meg, you know that I keep secrets. But I'm just telling Lolo now so that she will use it to rethink her memory again and go and amend her life. Lolo, do you know that when Monica was insulting you, you were ashamed to come out? But Melissa make you to stood up. That is your second God. Melissa is your second God on this social media. She's supposed to be your personal person. Anything she tell you to do, that is what you do. I have one brother. She's from my mother's side. He's my advisor. This person that is my advisor now, he don't have land though. He don't have anything. No. He doesn't have anything at all. If he tell me, Mama, I will take it from him because it's my good advisor. When my mother died, he played a role of a father. When they were trying to say, I use my siblings' destiny to make money, he stood by me. He doesn't have anything. No, I'm the one giving him something. But anytime he advises me, I will hold on to that advice. Let me read comments. Melissa was a great fighter. My sister, I've never seen a fighter like that in my life before. I've never seen that kind of person in my life before. No, let me tell you something. Who is this? Lolo Love Ofun. You people, who is this bottle seller Miracle? Please, my lady, you people, I have never talked to Lolo before in my life. Oh. Ask Lolo. I've never dialed a number before to say, Lolo, call me here. No. I supposed to call her and ask her. If you listen to, go to my update, you will see what I wrote there. But the people that I know that they are Lolo died eye fans. Those people, I talk to them, they are really angry, bitterly. I even tell them to talk to Melissa. They say Melissa have talked to Lolo and she refused to listen to Melissa. So that kind of a person, you will not beat that person in private again. When can an act big bomb video? No more lads in Dagbo. Umana mo ladin yawo oria wo mana hamoria wo rin oria wo wetin e dolevoji. Uga is egbomo wo wa gbe wo wa gwegwan wo oma o no hon uri e ladin bai. My papa use gun take fire bright leg now. We bright the full stubborn. Era me na wa yo sisi ladin wo ona vione bright wo we. Bright abrume. Era me yo sisi ladin wo wa vione wo we. What are you talking about? Oh, yeah, anything. Please, my lady, you people should call her. No. Nobody is calling her anymore. Nobody is calling her anymore because they try to call her. They try to call her and make settlements, but she refused. So she wants to wash her dirty clothes outside. So we will help her to wash it. Especially me. You know me, I'm not a fan of any presenter, but Atuari, she's my major target on this Facebook. I want shame and disgrace to enter her body on this Facebook because she have insulted a lot of Edo people. Please, sister, the thing tire me. Yes, it's a tired person. Lolo, this message now for you. I know delete them. I know delete this message. This message, particular message, now you get them. Carry biro, carry paper, use and write and where. Say waiting this Joy Thomas they talk so na truth or na lie. I go follow them beat you. I not care. Me na water. I not get enemy. I not get friend. These people, if I see say you not listening where now me go carry your picture come out. I go design. I go beat. I not thought say you be my sister. I go follow these people beat you because omonene adanagbe. Omonene adanagbo monene. Omonene or adanagbe because they don't try to talk to you. You know 1 year lolo. Adamehiana wariasan ya agbuwe. So this video now, I don't do it now. May you get sense. If you not get sense now, I'm going to beat Monica and I will beat you together. You and Monica, I go start to beat you now for Facebook again. I go start again now. And the cane where I want to beat you go long past Monica on. Just know this one now. The cane where I want to beat you for Nyash. Now your bonbon now go use and start to flog you. It go long past Monica on Lolo. Because I don't know who they advise you. I don't know the new person where you get now. Where they tell you say this thing, mommy, ata or whatever, you not senior me. By age I'm 47 years, so I not be small picking. What it be her name? Lolo godmother. This thing where they go around so like circle now, I feel say you don't hear them since because for me now today I just the hear. I not too much J Facebook like that. Sometimes I they enter, they go. Ata wife, Osage Ata wife. This thing where they go viral, so I hope say you don't hear now. Because when the music go start to they play. Although I did not listen to the video. When the music, Lolo, please listen to your people and go back to them. Yes. God bless you, Kate John. God bless you. Lolo, this music where you want to play so play and well because me go join them. I go reboot you. I go open like 30 accounts. You know, say I frustrate Monica. I frustrate Ivie Lawa. I frustrate them. I use matter tire them. Why I not too frustrate Precious Name? Because it's a game anything. It's a game anything. Me Ivie Sanyako ye. Me you san ya ko isagi me wanihi. Ono say man am bo frustrated egbe with Facebook. I frustrate Monica and I frustrate Ivielawa. I open accounts. Just Susie query collecting sense. Now I make peace with her. Because he mete wari unweri eni no watani te weni ya flogging ya fefefe kukugbe. Lolo, I want to rest my case. This video is for you. Damo Jesper, Nenny Black, Agne Teresa, Melissa, all Monica 10 years Mugu, all Lolo